Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you can implement tag enforcement strategy in your AWS account. So now you will ask like what is this tag enforcement strategy? So if you are a DevOps engineer or a cloud apps engineer, you guys have to do some analysis in the month end with the help of Cost Explorer. And when you look at the Explorer, there you'll find many untagged costs like EC2 cost, load balancer, volume, RDS, which are untagged. So it is bit difficult to track or find out like from which team this cost is coming, who is creating this untagged EC2 instances and all. So to resolve this issue, we are gonna implement this tag enforcement strategy in our AWS account with the help of IAM policy. So in that IAM policy, we are gonna define some condition. In that condition, we will define like if user will not create while creating the EC2 instance, if a user forgot to attach the tag environment tag or the team tag, the EC2 instance will not create. Okay. So yeah, so we are gonna make one IAM policy for that. And as you already know that to make IAM policy, we have to go to the IAM service. So open it in a new tab, and here go to the policy and click on create policy. Okay, here you have to choose a service. Like here, I'm gonna show you for EC2. You can do for any other services also as per your requirement. So I'm gonna click EC2 here. I will search for run instance. Okay, click on this one and select and search for other one like create volume. Okay, okay, now here we have to select resource, like resource is going to be instance, network interface, and the volume. Okay, these are mandatory. Actually these three are mandatory, so make sure to select these three resources. Now here go to the now here you have to specify the condition. So click here, click on add condition. Here in the condition key you have to select tag key. Here it is. Click on that. Okay, now qualifier is going to be this one, first one. Okay, operator you can select, you have to select string equals. Okay, in the value I'm choosing team, but you can say, choose environment also. Actually it is on you, it is up to you. As per the requirement you can change the value. Okay, but here I'm choosing team. Okay, now click on add, and here we have to add one more condition, and that is going to be uh, tag request tag. Okay, this one, first one. So here, as you know that in the previous condition we have selected tag key as team, so you have to give team here. Qualifier will be default. Operator you have to select string equals, and here you can give the value like front end, back end, and the QA as per the requirement. Front end, back end, and the QA. Okay, now click on add. Now I'm gonna add some more section here. So for adding the section you have to click on add additional permission. Click select the same service, and now here I'm gonna give the create tag access. Okay, on the same resources which we have selected in the previous section. So click on instance, then network interface, and the last one is volume. Here it is. Now add, here also we have to add condition for action, create action. Okay, so search for the create action. Operator here you have to select this one, string equals, and the value is going to be run instances, and the second value is going to be create volume. Okay, now click on add. Now add one more section here. So if the same service, here you have to check on this list. Okay, now uh, here you have to click on all resource. Okay, now one more section we have to add EC2. Here I'm gonna select run instance, and here I'm gonna select images, volume, subnet, security group, network interface, key pair. Yeah, yeah, these resources are enough. Okay, now I'm gonna uh, save this policy. Okay, I will give name as tag enforcement policy. Okay, now click on create policy. Now I'm gonna create one user and add this policy to that user. Okay, uh, click on add user. Here I will give name as Alice, password. Now here you have to attach that policy. Okay, this one. Go to the next, click on next tag, next review, and the create user. Okay, now I'm gonna log in into this account with Alice. Okay, go to the EC2 section. Now try to launch instance here. Okay, without tag. Make sure to select this free tier eligible. Okay, because it is free. Now click on review and launch. Okay, see, in that policy we have not given the access of new security group. Okay, so you have to select the existing one. Okay, so I am going to select this one. Okay, default one. Okay, now I'm not adding any tag right now. Okay, I'm creating this, launching this instance without the tag. Okay, we'll see what happened. And same for this key pair also. Here I'm choosing the existing one. But if you want to give access of create key, you can give that access in that policy. Okay, you have to mention that create key in that policy. Okay. Now click on launch instance. See, we are getting error here. So what I will do here, I will go back to the uh, tag section. Okay, and here I will give one tag or team. Okay, team is going to be QA. Now I'll see whether I am able to launch the instance or not. So click on launch. See, I'm able to launch the instance. So yeah, this is how you can implement this tag enforcement in your AWS account. So if you have any issue or doubts, please do comment in the comment section. I will try to solve that issue as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you for watching.